Hello, welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Kirrawee. We have rear for cars at Tango T39 to part of platform number 1 for a Bondi Junction service. Stopping at Sutherland and all to Bondi Junction. T68 and friend now departing platform number 2, Cronulla service. It'll be stopping at Gymea, then following by Miranda, Caringbah, Woolooware and Cronulla. T68 is the front 4 cars. Please stand by for the rear 4 cars. It should be, and it is
T68.
front half T68, the rear half is T61.
Both Hornsby sets.
They're both maintained at Hornsby, long way from home. We have a Cronulla service arriving on platform number 2 at Kirrawee. T47 is the front 4 cars. They'll be stopping at Gymea, then followed by Miranda, Caringbah, Woolooware and Cronulla.
The train on platform 2.
T47 and friend will be stopping at Gymea, then following by Miranda, Caringbah, Woolooware and Cronulla. T47 and friend is now departing platform number 2, Cronulla service. T47 and friend will be stopping at Gymea, then following by Miranda, Caringbah, Woolooware and Cronulla. T47 front half. The rear half is T18. We have a Bondi Junction service arriving on platform number 1 at Kirrawee. Front half T49. Should be able to tell you the rear half in just a moment. The rear half is T76. T49 and T76 now departing platform number 1, Bondi Junction service. I'll let Tony Owens repeat this comment.
Next train should be F1. Yeah.
Thank you, Taylor Owens. F1 passing through platform number 1 at Kirrawee. C3426 is leading. There goes the red lady. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we should have a Bondi Junction service shortly arriving on platform number 1 for a Bondi Junction service. Stopping at Sutherland, then Mortdale, Hurstville, Cockrockdale, Walleye Creek, Sydenham, Wedfern Central, then on to Bondi Junction. Leading half T18. I won't be able to tell you the rear half because that'll be my train, so I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.